There are an infinite number of ways to make money and create financial value in the world. However, most methods generally fit into one or more categories, such as investing, speculation, earning interest, producing something from materials or components, or reaping value from the land, as in farming, mining, hunting, or fishing. In this episode, we'll discuss the most common method of how people around the world make money, and that is through a job. Yes, J-O-B, job. Jobs take many forms: regular jobs, short-term gigs, occupations, or professions. Whatever you call it, a job is an activity that requires a person to offer up time, skills or expertise, and mental and/or physical effort in exchange for some form of payment. This could be hourly work, work towards a finite task, salary work, or professional work. There's a very wide range of what we call jobs. In this basic financial scenario, a worker wants or needs money and has time, effort, and skills to provide. If there is demand for that time, effort, and skill, then an employer is willing to pay that worker to perform the work, and a mutually beneficial transaction takes place. A job or a collection of jobs can lead a worker toward a cohesive career over a lifetime. A worker might also engage in different types of work over many years, changing career fields from time to time. Or, a worker might work 2 or more jobs at one time to meet his or her financial obligations or desires. Either way, workers strive to make a living by performing a job or jobs over many years in return for payment, with the expectation of financial gain over time. There are potential risks involved in making money from a job, and these are often overlooked. Besides physical risk, one risk is that a worker accepts lower payment than the market can bear for his or her time, effort, and skills. Another risk is that a worker with certain education, experiences, or personal desires is working in the wrong career field and could make more money, have more free time, or be happier in a different job. For example, someone with the skills to be a neurosurgeon might be underemployed as a house painter, while that person would truly be happiest working as a gourmet chef. Jobs often drastically alter our lives. They can dictate where we live and who our friends are. They have tremendous effects on our personal and family relationships. They often take up a large portion of our awake time and mental capacity even while we're not at work. They dictate when we can take time off to relax or pursue other interests. And they have a huge impact on our health and habits. A large majority of the working age population around the world have jobs where they perform work in exchange for payment, whether they work for an employer or themselves. In addition to personal financial gain, jobs have huge economic implications for our society, and we'll explore some of these concepts and other money matters in future videos. Thanks for watching Money Minute. Be sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking the button below.